Capitec Bank app not opening. Here is the quick fix. So let's get started. First, long press on Capitec app. Now tap App Info. Tap Storage and Cache. Clear cache. Also clear storage. This will log your account. So you will need to log in again. Now close this and go to Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS. Search for Capitec app. And here you should have to update this app to the latest version. If this still not working, then completely uninstall and reinstall the app. So this will fix the issue.